We are familiar with this site. It is a face-off to start the game, and it will be Lynchburg and Sewanee vying for a dance with York College this coming Saturday. One pass down low, Adams in front to Thomas, scores! Andrew Thomas opens up a can, has two. We are under a lightning delay, the first lightning delay of the night.
Why do you go to a corner if you have a cold? Because it's 90 degrees.
That's pretty bad.
It's just a great spirit. I mean, nobody's a loser with Lynchburg College. It's the best coach in the country, and they got the best team in the country. And I think they'll prove it again this year.
So I would just say to the alumni, come on back onto campus, find a way to get back engaged in any little way that you want. It's a phone call, it's an email, it's a word of encouragement to the team that's playing in the NCAAs. Every little bit matters.
Here's Rogers out top. Fakes, turns, looks to rip, does, scores! Goes to his left, shoots to the right, scores again, his 11th of the season. Gives the Hornets a 2-goal lead. .457 remaining in the first quarter of a 3-goal game. Thomas, bang, bang, goal! Beautiful feed from Logan Adams, and Andrew Thomas has the Texas hat trick in the first quarter. Thunder has been heard, lightning has been seen, 3:35 to go, and they cannot wait any longer before making us wait longer. Marco will shoot and score topside. The senior causes a flag to be thrown at the same time he scores a goal that may be the backbreaker for the Tigers. The Hive has spoken, and the Hornets say goodbye to the Tigers for the second time this season. 14-12 your final score.